Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll be replacing the guard on this Flymo grass trimmer. If your guard has become loose or even worse broken, it will need to be replaced. Now, safety first, always disconnect an appliance before carrying out any work. To identify the correct guard for your Flymo grass trimmer, make sure you get the model and product number from the rating plate, which is located here at the side of the trimmer. Look on the eSpares website for the correct part. And here we have the guard, which provides protection from the line as it cuts the grass. I'm going to start by removing the spool cover. Simply pinch the two clips either side and lift away. I can then remove the spool and line behind. Simply lift out and feed the lines out as well. To remove the guard from the trimmer, there's a clip either side that you need to push down with a flat-headed screwdriver. So push those clips down and then turn the guard clockwise to remove. So work your flat-headed screwdriver in and then push down on the clip to release. To correctly fit your new guard, there's a couple of handy arrow indicators here on the trimmer and here on the guard itself. So line those up before then turning the guard anti-clockwise to click into place. Next, I can refit the spool and line. And just feed the lines through either side. You can then turn the spool itself just to set the length of the line. So it's around the length of the line stop there. And lastly, I can refit the spool cover. Just pinch both clips on either side and push in. So there we have it, one new guard fitted to this Flymo grass trimmer. Remember, spares and accessories for all the appliances around your home can be found on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.